One of the smallest service jobs on these cars is a pollen filter. Now this is often forgotten or simply ignored. Access is quite tight down there, so what we've done is taken out the glove box just so you can see what we're doing, but it's a really easy job and they only cost about £5. Right, so the housing is located right under the dash, so all we've got to do is pull back the carpet and you'll find it here. Now they're supposed to have a screw in there, but to be honest, I've never seen one with a screw yet. I think even the dealers take them out. So it's just a case of unclipping this cover and pulling out the old filter. Right, with the old filter out, you can see there's a massive difference between that and the new one, which is white, and this one is pretty mucky. Now this filters out all the stuff you don't want to be breathing in. So it's nice to have a new filter. You want to do this every couple of years. This one looks like it hasn't been changed forever, so that's going straight in the skip. And let's put in our shiny new filter. Right, so you put the filter in the same way the old one come out. You can squish it down a bit and it will spring back. Just pop it all the way in. Make sure your foam's at the front, like the first one. And then pop your cover back on. And you're all done. Right, so that's the pollen filter. That's the job you should do every year, ideally. Don't leave it any more than a couple of years. 30-second video, 30-second job. Easy peasy. I'm off for a cup of tea.